Hi everyone, today I'm going to make the cucumber coconut pachadi, very delicious and yummy curry. For the cucumber pachadi, I'm taking 1.5 cucumber. So this is the cucumber that we get from the store. I just peeled off the skin because for this particular curry you don't eat it with the skin, but this is really good. You have to eat cucumber along with the skin because it's really good, and also the seeds you need to eat it just like that. But for this recipe, I'm peeling off 1.5 cucumber and just cubed it. So this, you have to cook this with water, a little bit salt, and some curry leaves. So these are the curry leaves. So you just cook it for say a few minutes, and then you make a paste with coconut, little bit onion, like I use 1 green chili. I don't need this much onion, maybe half of this. Say I'll take this much. Yeah, this should be good. Little turmeric powder, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of jeera, so 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this much of mustard seeds. So these are called the black mustard seeds. So I will add to this one and grind it, along with the green chili, onion, jeera, turmeric, and coconut. So you can skip you can skip turmeric also if you want it white color. People like it yellow cucumber pachadi, they don't like too white. In that case, you can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So once you grind it without the turmeric, the paste will look like this. Okay. If you want, you can add this yellow turmeric powder. But today my kids wanted the white one, so I will use this mix for cucumber. But if you want it yellow, you can use turmeric powder. That's the only difference between this mix and this mix. So you just have to make it grind it a little bit paste using some water. Okay, so that's the paste I'm using. I took some water in a pan. See how much water I took? Very less, like little less than 1/4 cup of water, because the cucumber doesn't need a lot of water. Add some curry leaves to it. I'm adding the cucumber. Little bit of salt, like 1 teaspoon. And just let it cook. For 5 minutes. So the cucumber is cooked very well, you can see, right? So at this time you can add the coconut mix. So there was a little bit water left, so I just drained it out because you don't need water for this. Okay, now you can add the coconut mix into this. Okay. That's good, Effie. Okay, see, the coconut had water already, so this is perfect. Make sure you switch off the stove because you don't need a lot of heating for the coconut mix. Okay. So once it is cold, we can add the yogurt. So now that it is cold, it's room temperature, I'm going to add half cup of plain yogurt. Just add a little bit and just stir it to see whether this is thick enough. Okay, maybe you can add the remaining too. So you boil a little bit of oil and add mustard seeds and curry leaves and dried red chili, and add to it. As a special touch, the usual Kerala cooking, whenever they add a little salt, they add a little bit sugar also, just to balance the taste. So I'm going to add 2 pinch of sugar to this. This much sugar. Can say that's such nice touch. I think some people do. It's very refreshing, really good. You'll be amazed how nicely it comes, even though the ingredients is just cucumber and yogurt. You'll be surprised how tasty it is, and go well, very very well with rice. You can see the oil starts sputtering. Add a little bit of rice, just dry rice, dry red chili and curry leaf. That's it. Just pour that thing. That's it. Oh, it's hot. Pachadi or cucumber raita is ready. I hope everybody will give it a try. Very simple recipe. All you need is yogurt and some cucumber. So until next recipe, bye bye.